Right, Sunday morning, we're at the workshop play day. We've got the RG500 in. It's almost there. Got to do the paint work, got to get the silencers. We've got the fairing to fit. And today we've got the rider with it. Alex.
Hey, Tony.
All right, mate.
Yeah, I'm cool. Yourself?
So are you happy with it so far?
Yeah, buzzing. Really, really pleased with it. It's coming together great.
Where are we entering it?
Right, Bempsey Thunderbike Ultra. And Thunderbike Ultra, the key thing is a power restriction of 1 horsepower for every kilogram.
How many kilos?
145-ish.
Are we there?
Power-wise, dyno next week, in 10 days time or so. Fingers crossed, big carbs, as the engine was built to be. 155 before, hopefully 145.
145.
On the button.
First race?
Snetterton, end of May.
Cool.
Love Snetterton, and there's a test day on Friday. That'll be the first time out with the big boys. It'll be out with the power bikes. Out with the power bikes last March. She held her own, so with a bit more power, good to go, hopefully.
So today we're looking at a bit more detail on the fairing?
Yeah, so air filters. The challenge with the bigger carbs is clearance for the air filters. The fairing's fitted okay, but there's a couple of vents that we just want to smooth a little bit, take the lip off and seal up so that the aim is to try and avoid the turbulence.
Cool.
Trap. So yeah, it's coming together really well, really excited, and proper old school bodywork, how it should be.
So we best put the coffee down and get on.
I think so, Tone. Let's go.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Right, also today, other than the RG, we're working on John's Norton Harley. He's going to replace all this lot with shiny bits. Shiny. So that's John's job. Alex has got the RG. I'm going to sit down and have a coffee. Thank you. And for all you out there, this is probably a first, seeing John working. Yeah, he's worked a sweat up.
It's quite heavy,
And he's gone still again. That's John in his natural position. So Al, end of day, what you done?
Not a lot.
Must have done something.
No. Big progress forward with air filter clearance.
Go on.
The key thing ready for the dyno is to understand if the air's flowing to provide the engine, big horsepower, etc. With a new fairing, making sure there's clearance. So what we've done is we made some adjustable mounts that go onto the front engine mounts, so we can vary the width of the air filters on the dyno. We started from the inwardmost position, giving them a bit more streamline, but at the dyno we can expand it to provide the airflow that's needed.
If you need more air.
If we need more air, and that's a bit of an unknown until we get on the dyno.
Cool.
Job done today, really good progress. So yeah, cheers Tony.
So the RG's back in the van, back at home,
Indeed.
central heated garage.
Too right, yeah. I'll probably stay there in the night with the bike.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Well,
Great progress today, cheers mate.
next report, dyno run.
Post dyno, yeah.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Cool.
Cheers Tony.
Go. So John, how'd you get on?
All right, didn't break too much.
No?
Didn't make too many scratches. I only dropped 1 or 2 bits.
Are you pleased?
Shiny forks.
You pleased?
I'm much pleased. Aye, yes.
So, next move is we need to look at the wheels.
Yep.
We need to cut these lugs off, just to make it look a bit more Manx Norton, because the Manx Norton never had that mudguard mount. Had it up here on wire mounts. So I'll get some wire mounts, nice mudguard, shiny bit done. Next week, engine out.
Yeah, absolutely.
Got to sort out the engine mounts. See you next week.